Hi, I'm Cody. I'm your Holkham house captain, and I'll be talking about what you should do in lockdown and how you should keep good to your work and stuff. So keep a positive approach to homeschooling. Do what you can when you can, and ask teachers for help. Also remember to find time for stuff reading and fill out your reading record every Friday. Try to get some exercise in every day, even if it's just 20 minutes or so indoors. That will make you feel better. It will. Don't forget, we can still earn house points and merits, so remember to upload to Shobi. Stay home and stay safe. Remember, if you have to go out, to social distance and wear a face covering. Use hand sanitizer and wash your hands as soon as you get home, and don't meet with anyone outside your household, and support Bubbles. Doing all of these will help the NHS and help us all get back to the normal quicker. There's an art competition, and it's going to be either why you should stay safe and protect the NHS is the other option, and the last option is homeschooling and how good you should be with it. Take a photo of your art and send it to this email. It's been lovely speaking to you, and hope you have a good day, and look forward to seeing you at the beginning of March. Go Holkham!